Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to record the cash you hand over to your manager in the POS system.
Okay, so your shift is done. How do you accurately record the money you're handing over? Let's dive in.
First things first, you got to understand how the system tracks every single payment you take. We call these settlement methods. Think cash, bank transfer, credit card. You get the picture.
Now the system gives you this awesome detailed report called the Cash Collection Report.
And check this out. One sale, two payment methods. That's two separate lines in the report, super detailed. But who wants to hand over every single line item? You just need a simple summary, right? For that, you're going to use the Z report. It's designed exactly for this, for the end of the day.
And making one is super easy. Just navigate to the menu, pick your branch and date, and click Search.
It shows everything your manager needs to see at a glance, all the totals, sales, and transaction counts.
And this Z report, it's not just a summary. It becomes the official document for your handover. You can even export it as a PDF. That way, finance can use it to cross-check everything. It's all about accountability.
Now, for an even more formal process, your branch can use something called session and flow control.
Basically, this feature makes cashiers formally start with an opening balance and end with a closing one.
So, the standard way, you just log in and sell. With session control, you have to open a session first.
So, what's the bottom line here? Your POS system gives you the exact tools you need for an accurate handover.
So think about it. How can clear daily reporting help not just you, but your entire company's financial health?